Okay, hello trader. Alright, so this video I try to share about Renko FX in English version. And first of all, I want to say sorry if my English pronounce wrong or you cannot understand. Okay, so I'm Renko Warriors FX. From Malaysia, and normally I speak Malay, so but in this video I try my best to sharing about forex trading using Renko chat with Renko FX in English version. Alright, so basically okay, first of all we start this sharing with Muslim kalima Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and we hope our God give us barakah. Alright, so let's start it. Okay, so let's start it. Renko Warrior FX atau Renko Warrior FX, we basically using the market structure or market pattern. Okay, the main point of trading with Renko Warriors FX, we use basic structure, and I think every trader know about this basic market structure. Alright, so first of all, when we open the chart, we open MT4, we saw the market. For example, see the price or the chart, okay, move up. Okay, move up. So can we say this move up, this can we say this uptrend or not? Okay, we open the chart first. We open the chart, the MT4. We see the price moving up or uptrend like this. Can we say this going up or not? For me, not, because we cannot see this. From this movement, we cannot see the market structure. Okay, so what I mean from basic market structure, it must be for uptrend. It must be price moving up and then moving down or pull back. Okay, this pullback. Okay, this pullback cannot break this low. Okay, cannot break this low, here low. Okay, here low, and must be, and this price pullback cannot break this low, and then price moving up and break this high. Alright, must break this high. Okay, this pullback going down cannot, the first SOP, the first roll, this cannot break this low, and then price going up back and must break. Okay, must break this high. So here we can see a basic market structure. Alright, is basic market structure, moving up, moving down as a pullback, and then moving up back and break this high. So this movement, we call it uptrend movement or basic market structure for uptrend. if we saw or we see this pattern, this structure, we are focused to entry buy. Okay, we look for buy. So in this case, what I calling the first movement moving up, I will call A. Alright, I will call as a alright, I will call A. And then this pullback, this moving down, remember that this moving down or this pullback cannot break this low. Okay, if this pullback break this low, it's not valid. Okay, that's not valid. Alright, so the moving this pullback, what I call is B. Okay, and then the price moving up back, moving up, and lastly this price break the previous higher, or break A. Okay, so this movement I call it as C. Alright, so this pattern moving up, pull back, and moving up back, break the previous higher. So this movement I call as A. I call this A, B, C normal. Alright, so I call this ABC normal. Okay, ABC normal. So what I mean ABC normal, because you can see this A, B, and C. So you must remember the SOP. B cannot break this previous low, and then C must break much higher than A. Okay, so for ABC normal setup, we must wait the price come back to the B zone for B entry. Alright, so here is the biggest B area. Okay, starting from here and then until here. So this is biggest B zone, but we wait for the best B zone. Okay, the best B zone for buy. We mark the zone on the last bear for the best B. Alright, so here we wait for price coming here, and then we enter buy, and hopefully price going up. Okay, so this setup ABC, I call it as ABC normal setup. So what we need, and we have, you can see, we can look and we search at market, at MT4, at chart. We look this movement or this pattern. A moving up as a pull back and cannot break this low as a B, and then moving up back and break the previous high as a C. So complete pattern, complete basic structure, A, B, and C. So wait at the best B area for entry buy. Alright, so this setup I call it as ABC normal. Alright, so how about the sell? Okay, this example for the buy setup. for the sell setup, it's the same. You just need to mirror this structure, right? So when we look for price moving down, okay, price moving down, okay, and then price pullback or price moving up as the pullback. Same situation. This price pullback cannot break this previous high, okay, and then this price moving down back, break the previous low. So we can see this pattern, this base market structure or this movement, we can call it as this one as A, and this pullback or this moving up as a B, and then this movement break the previous low, we call it as a C. Okay, so entry always in B zone, so the biggest B zone starting from here until here. Okay, so this biggest B zone, but we not focus for the biggest B zone. We wait for the best B. For sell setup, the best B zone is the last bull candle. That means it will be here. Okay, and then we wait price come back for this zone. Okay, we wait and price come back in this zone. So we can enter sell, and then hopefully price going down. Alright, so here the first TP you can enter, you can take profit at this previous low. Okay, this for buy at this previous high. So you can set your TP for which is ratio 1 and 2. It's different for you. If you are scalping, you can take 5-10 pip. Okay, so that's different for your style trading. Alright, so what I want to share is about the basic market structure and the zone or the area you can enter, and how to you look at the chart and the basic market structure. Alright, so okay, so these two example or these two pattern, we call it as a ABC normal setup. Alright, so this is ABC normal setup. Okay, before that, I want to tell all of you, I'm a Renko FX. Renko FX is a trader as a scalper. Okay, I like to be a scalper and I trade as a scalper. Alright, so okay, let's continue that. So hopefully you can understand what I'm talking about. You can understand my language or the words I use. Okay, but I think as a forex trader, everyone already know this pattern. So let's make it simple. Alright, make it simple. Trade as simple you can. So trade as A, B and C. That's simple. Okay, so we will move to second setup. So this first setup for buy and for sell. What is second setup? Okay, second setup, I call it as, still I use ABC. Okay, ABC everyone know ABC, everyone can see ABC, so everyone can think, okay, can think about how simple you can say ABC. So set on your mind, say as a simple blah blah blah, SSS, okay, sorry, as a simple, just like you say ABC. So the second, let's go. So the second setup, we call it as ABC inverted. Okay, so what is ABC inverted? Right. So ABC inverted is a counter setup. That's mean the setup happen, ABC setup happen when the setup ABC normal has failed. Okay, when ABC setup has failed, so this is so ABC inverted will be performed. Alright, so same situation. First, when we look at the chart, we look for the basic market structure, move up and then pull back. Same situation like ABC normal, right? Okay, alright, so here, and then we wait entry buy here. Okay, sorry, okay, we wait to enter the best B here, we wait for here. Alright, and then price moving down, so for ABC normal, we actually to buy here. Alright, so ABC normal like this, we buy here and hopefully price going up. Certain case, this pattern we see, and then this price come back, we enter buy. Okay, we enter buy first for ABC normal, we enter buy, but suddenly happen, this price break and close over this B. So what should we do? Right, what should we do? Right, so if we have enter, or if we enter here, or we have position buy here, when this happen, price break and close below this zone, B zone, we must cut loss. Okay, we must cut loss. Okay, cut loss, we must accept these losses. Okay, alright, so when this happen, so this basic structure will become setup ABC inverted, and then we will wait for this price come back and at this area. Okay, first we wait for this candle come back to this area for enter sell, and hopefully price can go down. Alright, hopefully price can go down. Okay, for inverted setup, we have two zone entry. Okay, first zone here, and then the second zone is here. Okay, second zone here. Always remember, for the sell, we focus sell in bull candle, right? Bull candle. Okay, so this one. So sometime after break and close above this B, price pull back, until here, and then going down. So here we calling is a same setup for anybody who know about head and shoulder. Alright, so but for me, for Renko FX, we calling this setup is ABC inverted. Okay, just looking for ABC pattern, A, B, and C, and then going down. And if price going down, we enter always at B, but if price breakout and close below this 2B, we cut loss and wait at the same zone or the above zone to enter sell. Okay, so this inverted, ABC inverted. So same situation for sell. Okay, for buy, this if we look basic market structure like this, A moving down, A pull back as a B, and then price break here. So here we're waiting for sell. Okay, so this is ABC normal, A, B, and C. So here we're waiting for sell, and the bull candle, the last bull candle, and then price coming up. Sorry, a price coming up here, and we enter sell for setup ABC normal. Suddenly price going above zone and then close here. So if we have the position for sell, we must cut loss. Alright, we must cut loss and wait for price come back here for enter, counter enter as a buy. Okay, and then price going up. Okay, so this same situation also we have for a zone here. Also this here also have a zone for setup head and shoulder. Okay? Sometimes price going down until here, and then after that is going up. Alright, so this is a two setup. Okay, this is a two setup. We can see at the trading. So this is basic market structure. Alright, so this is basic market structure, and this what we using when using Renko FX. So just focus for these two pattern, two basic structure or two setup. Okay, now so we're going to gold. Okay, this is a gold Renko box size, Renko box size 10. Alright, so I want to show you a simple. Okay, alright, so hopefully you can see. Okay, alright, so here here we see the price moving up. Okay, price moving up, and then price moving down. So pullback, and then this moving down cannot this pullback not break this previous low, and then price going up. Okay, this going up, so this break is previous high. So here we can see pattern A, B, and C. So the biggest zone is here. Alright, the biggest zone. So biggest B zone is here. But we look the best B. So the best B for buy is the at the candle bear. Alright, the last candle bear. So here. Okay. So here, and then price come back at this zone and going up. Alright, so you see that. So now here we look, so same here. Okay, price moving up as A, and then price going down here. Okay, still not break the previous low, and then price moving up here. Okay, break this highest, so this is a biggest B. Okay, this is a biggest B. Alright, so what we see, what we want is we look for the best B. So the best B is the last back candle. Okay, so this one, the last back candle is here. So we also marking zone with shadow, and then price come back and moving up. Okay, so here we look here, price moving. Okay, so we look for this here we see this price moving down. All right, price moving down, and then we see price pull back. Okay, price pull back, not break the previous high, so we assume this is A movement, and then this is a B movement. But we're looking for complete setup where the C, where C. Okay, so if movement, this movement, you can see this one A, we call it as A, this one as a B, then this movement not break this previous, okay, this previous low, so C not happen. Alright, so see this C not happen. Okay, C not happen. So now we look back, so here is a moving up, and then here is moving down, and then we call it this A, this B, and still C, still C not, but this one C happen here. Okay, this one break, so call it this A, then this A, and this pull back as a B, and this one as a C. So the biggest B are here. Wow, so biggest. So it's crazy for we to entry here. So just like I say, just like I tell, we waiting for the best B. So the best B is here. The last for buy, the last back candle is the best B zone for entry. So if you do here, so you see this one come first in shadow and going up, and then it's come back, it's going up. All right, so this for now we see, we look for example normal setup. Okay, so here you see the price moving down. Okay, price moving down, and then price moving up. All right, so price moving up. We want, if we look here first, this movement we call it as a, and this pull back as a B, and we wait for C happen, but in this case C not happen. Okay, because this price not break this high. So we look here, moving down, and we call this as a, then this price pull back or moving up, not break this previous high, and then this one price going down, and break here and break this area. So we saw, and you can see this ABC number for set. All right, so A, B, and C. All right, so here we waiting for the best B. Okay, so this for best B, the biggest B here. Okay, so we waiting here, but price come and then we entry sell here, but suddenly price break out and close here, so we need to cut loss this position sell. Okay, so here is the best zone. Remember, for the counter buy we wait at the, for buy we wait at candle bear, and for sell we wait at, we entry at candle bull. So now price coming back, and then let's coming back at the zone and moving up. Okay, so here we call it as a ABC inverted. Okay, so this one set up for ABC inverted. So, and then here going up as a A, going down as a B, dan going up as a C. So waiting at the best B for entry. So now price coming and we enter buy and break out, cut loss, break out and close below this zone, so we need to cut loss and waiting at the same zone. Okay, so here this zone for sell blue candle. Alright, so this price coming back and going enter sell. So this setup always, this is the ABC inverted. Alright, so same here, we look here, price up, pull back and going up, A, B and C. So we wait here, for buy, and then we buy here, but we need to cut loss here because price suddenly break and close below the zone. So we wait at the same area as the same zone for enter sell. Okay, so now price going down. Okay, so here A, B and C, wait at the best B. Okay, so we get this position. Okay, we get this entry. Okay, this one will profit. Okay, so now here A, B and C. So see where what we need, marking first A, B and where the C. So C here not happen, so this one C. So the best B is always here. Alright, so this one price coming and we enter here and going down. Okay, so same like here, if we look at here, we see, we saw this A, B and C. If we waiting here for the buy, just remember, we buy here, if this happen, just cut loss. Just cut loss, and then we enter, coming back at the zone, we enter sell, and then we profit here 20 pip. Okay, but if price going up, back, break up upper this zone and we enter sell here, we need to cut loss. Okay, this we call the setup. The next setup I will share for you, this third setup. Okay, ABC inverted manipulation. So for this video, I just share with you about ABC normal and ABC inverted setup. Alright, so here just looking for ABC. So if you see here, if you see in the biggest view, alright, if you see in the biggest view, you can see here it's actually this movement as a this as a B and this one as a C. Why? Because this break here break and this one cannot break. Okay, so the best B is always the highest B. Alright, so here, and then we got this and T. Right, so same here, we look here A, B and C, so we wait at the B, and then price coming, we enter buy and then back out, so waiting for ABC inverted. Alright, so so this is for today's setup. So here we have A, we have B, so here A, B and C coming here. You see here we have A, B and C, and then we enter buy here, we need to cut loss, and then price coming up this zone, we enter sell, and then we profit here. Alright, so price coming back, if we enter this, we enter again sell, and the price back up, we need to cut loss, waiting the center, waiting for at the same zone to buy. So here we buy and we buy. So here we have a B position here. Okay, here we have a B zone here. Okay, this A, this B and this one C. So price come here, okay, and then break out. Okay, and then break out, we need to cut loss if we have a position sell. So waiting for price come back to enter buy. Okay, so this is this example for these two setup, ABC normal and ABC inverted. Right, so this example is Renko box 10, Renko bricks, Renko box size 10 pip. Okay, 10 pip or 100 point. So for gold. So I hope so that's all for my sharing, and I hope my sharing can give you the opinion or choice about your trading. Okay, hopefully this video can help you, and then if you think this video good or give some choice or benefit, give you benefit, you can share, you can comment, or you can subscribe. Okay, subscribe my channel, give me a hope, a good feeling, and share more video in English version. Okay, hopefully you can understand what I say. Hopefully you can understand, and you can understand. Okay, hopefully you can understand what I say and what I try to sharing with all of you. Okay, so that's all. If you have any question, you can ask at the comment area. Okay, so that's all. Again, I want to say sorry if I have a mistake during the sharing season, and if I say something wrong. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, see you again at next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So that's all. Thank you and bye bye. Assalamualaikum.